Cannabis has been studied for its medicinal properties, including pain relief, anti-inflammatory effects, and potential benefits for mental health conditions. Research suggests that cannabinoids, the active compounds in cannabis, can interact with the body's endocannabinoid system to help manage symptoms of chronic pain and anxiety. Additionally, cannabis is being explored for its potential to alleviate symptoms related to conditions such as epilepsy, multiple sclerosis, and even cancer-related side effects. Patients often report reduced nausea and increased appetite, especially those undergoing chemotherapy, showcasing cannabis's role as a supportive therapeutic agent. Moreover, the use of cannabis for medicinal purposes continues to gain acceptance, with many patients finding it a valuable alternative to traditional pharmaceuticals. As research advances, regulatory frameworks are evolving, further legitimizing cannabis as a treatment option and ensuring safer access for patients in need. Continuous studies aim to unravel the complexities of cannabis, focusing on specific strains and formulations that may maximize therapeutic benefits while minimizing side effects. As knowledge expands, healthcare providers are better equipped to guide patients in making informed decisions about cannabis use within their treatment plans. Public awareness and education about cannabis's medicinal properties are crucial for breaking stigma and empowering individuals to explore this natural remedy. With increasing legalization and acceptance, the market for medicinal cannabis is expanding, offering patients diverse options tailored to their specific health needs. Patient feedback and ongoing research are essential for refining cannabis therapies, ensuring they effectively address various medical conditions while enhancing patient quality of life. Integrating cannabis into holistic health practices is becoming increasingly popular, as many individuals seek natural ways to support their overall well-being. As the understanding of cannabis expands, it is becoming intertwined with lifestyle practices, promoting a balanced approach to health that resonates with many. Collaborations between researchers, healthcare providers, and farmers are paving the way for innovative solutions that enhance the therapeutic potential of cannabis. Personal testimonials from patients highlight the transformative power of cannabis in managing health challenges, fostering community and understanding in the process. Ongoing research continues to reveal new cannabinoids and terpenes, each potentially offering unique benefits and enhancing the medicinal value of cannabis. Educating the public about cannabinoids and their effects is essential for responsible use, ensuring patients can make informed choices about their health. As the field of cannabis medicine grows, collaboration between patients, healthcare providers, and researchers remains vital for uncovering its full potential and benefits. Education about cannabis cultivation and its applications is key for fostering a new generation of practitioners dedicated to advancing cannabis science. Engaging the community through informative events helps demystify cannabis and promotes understanding of its medicinal properties across diverse populations. Hands-on workshops allow individuals to explore creative ways to incorporate cannabis into their daily lives, enhancing both culinary experiences and wellness. Providing clear and accessible information about cannabis strains and their respective benefits empowers patients to choose the right options for their health needs. The integration of cannabis into mindfulness practices is being explored as a means to enhance mental health and emotional well-being. Celebrating cannabis culture fosters community connection and highlights its historical and contemporary significance in promoting health and wellness. As more families explore the benefits of cannabis, it's becoming an integral part of holistic lifestyle choices, enhancing social gatherings and personal wellness. Personal stories and responsible education play pivotal roles in shaping the narrative around cannabis, building trust and understanding within communities. The fusion of cannabis with wellness practices like yoga highlights its potential to enhance mindfulness and promote emotional balance. Art and education merge to celebrate the rich history of cannabis, fostering a deeper appreciation for its medical potential and cultural significance. Workshops and consultations empower individuals to harness the nutritional and therapeutic benefits of cannabis, promoting a holistic approach to health. As interest in cannabis continues to grow, community engagement is essential for fostering informed discussions about its benefits and safe usage. Informed family discussions about cannabis can lead to better health choices, paving the way for a future where alternative medicine is widely accepted. Mindfulness practices combined with cannabis use promote relaxation and stress relief, enhancing overall mental health and well-being. Culinary events centered around cannabis not only educate but also celebrate creativity, showcasing the possibilities of integrating cannabis into everyday meals. Scientific exploration is essential for understanding cannabis's diverse properties, while community festivals invite everyone to learn and celebrate its benefits.